Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play Rewrite Round 2 step by step. Start by setting a clear prompt and time limit so everyone knows the goal. Assign an editor and 2 reviewers to streamline decisions. Collect initial drafts in a shared doc and mark suggested edits. Use a simple voting method to pick the strongest rewrite, then finalize tone and grammar before presenting the winning version to the group. Gather your group and explain roles clearly to avoid confusion during the round. The editor implements changes, reviewers check structure and clarity, and contributors suggest lines or phrases. Set a visible timer for each pass to maintain pace and encourage concise edits. Use a shared document with change tracking so everyone can see suggestions and comment efficiently. Agree on a final voting method before starting to ensure a smooth conclusion. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more game tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for keeping draft snack tidy during long sessions and preventing spills on your notes. They stack well, seal tightly, and make meal prep simple when you are focused on edits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start the edit phase with short, focused passes to prevent overthinking and friction. Editors should merge strong lines and remove redundancy while keeping the original prompt in mind. Reviewers focus on clarity, tone, and factual accuracy, suggesting concise swaps and punctuation fixes. After 2 or 3 passes, present top candidates and hold a transparent vote using numbered ballots or a show of hands. Finalize grammar, confirm ownership, and celebrate the chosen rewrite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.